Hey, good morning, fellas. It's time. We are live. How's it going, everybody? What a crazy wow. That's a nice move. That's a nice move to pass evals. I wish I almost did. I almost did it, but I did not. Hey, Go and Trades, good morning. Aran, good morning. Orlando, good morning. Nathan Ramirez, Jose, Trading Ever After, good morning. S, good morning. How is it going, everybody? How are we doing on this fine Tuesday morning? Yeah, that candle. Jose. I see what I see what you're saying. Oh man, I forgot my glasses. Hang on. Let me go grab my glasses real quick. Okay, now we're here. Okay, let's make sure we got everything. So, oh man, we got stuff to do. Yesterday, I had a terrible idea yesterday. After I did the recap, good morning, Mr. Wall Street, R5 Studios, Trader Tate, Daniel Carbonell, Corey, Daryl Baptiste, good morning, Trip Candy, good morning, everybody. All right, actually, I need to focus up. I'll tell you what happened in the overnight. Not overnight, actually. It was yesterday afternoon. I was very dumb. I did a dumb thing, and I paid the price. Oh. Okay, market, where are we going to open? Oh, we need the clock. The clock. There we go. Shredder, good morning. Corey, good morning. No, it was nothing to do with Take Profit Trader. No. Amelia Stitcher, good morning. I'll give you guys a quick breakdown. I deleted the Tradeovate app off my phone. That should tell you, number one. Second of all, never place trades while golfing on your phone without a stop loss. That will sum it up. So stupid. Let's just say right here, look at this. If you pay close attention and you count my Tradeify accounts, you will quickly notice that I currently only have 5, not 7, like I had. And that is why. John. I thought I went clubbing with Patrick Wheeland. Yeah, I was so dumb. Oh, it was again the OCD. I need to really get over this. I think I might need some therapy. And we're open, folks. Opening price is $250. $250. I will only be taking this trade on 3 of the Tradeify accounts. These 2 Tradeify accounts, there's a big story behind these 2 as well. Oh man, I gotta show you. But bottom line is these 2 we can't trade today because we've reached our profit goal. So these 3 accounts is what we will be trading today. On the opening trade, on this 3-minute opening trade. But man, I am such an idiot sometimes. I actually I impress my own self how much of an idiot I sometimes am. It's pretty impressive. It's very impressive. I'm not that upset about it though. I mean, it's a I need to learn it. I need to learn to do better, but it was more it was kind of funny. I mean, look at this, guys. I need to make sure I pay attention here, but let's just say entering a trade on Tradeify, and I did it on 2 accounts. It was so stupid. But okay, hang on. We need to pay attention. Hang on. We'll get to that after this. We might not even trigger an entry here. But right now we would be going long. We have a minute and 10 seconds before we pull the trigger here. Oh man, what about a direct? Wait until a direction is decided. I'm so dumb sometimes. It's actually impressive. It's come to the point where I'm actually just impressed. Don't go without me, market. Please. All right, make sure I'm on micros. We're on micros. We're on the right chart. I'm on the right account. Everything is good. Everything is locked and loaded. Now, I don't think this is right. I should have 150 ticks. Anyway. All right, we got 15 seconds. We might not get a trigger here. Okay, we did. Now, this should be 150 ticks. Hello? Oh no. My chart is frozen. What is going on? This is not ideal. What? Okay, we're back. I think. Are we back? Market. Why you do this to me? Okay, we're back. Very choppy open here. Okay, what time? 9:34. We have 90 seconds till take this off. Man, it seems kind of wicked here. It's not great here. No. Come on, market. Don't dump. Don't do it. I don't like this. We have to be at least 35 ticks in profit in order for me to take profit at this 5-minute. So I guess we'll place it here. If we get hit, we get hit. It's not looking good. I don't like this. I do not like this one bit. Maybe if we can get a pump here. Come on, market. Getting really close to just killing this thing. I'm gonna kill it. I don't like it one bit. It's just gonna chop around here the way this is going. I do not like that. All right, pretty much a pretty meh open there. Nothing to see. Yeah, I think we made the right decision. Hey, good morning, Amakre. How we doing? Black coffee trader, good morning, good to see you. Mr. Wall Street, below 233 for a long and 197 on the table. Let's see if this holds. If this 220 keeps holding, I mean, obviously I gotta be bullish, right? Gotta be bullish. Here we go, testing that 220. Let's see. Testing. Oh. All right, I think we're done on this Tradeify accounts. All right, here we go, testing the 200s. Are we really just gonna pull back? Are we gonna pull all the way back to this 21,000? Man, it's crazy. What time are you trading those challenges? Overnight? These Apex, this I traded this morning. Where did I trade those? Let me look. Right here. So this is my trades for the challenges. My first trade was after this 830 move. Took a $200 trade here. Took a $90 loss. Took a $300 winner. And took a $180 winner. And that's it. Those were my trades for the challenge, which we actually passed. I didn't realize. But this account right here, right here, that account is at $53,018. So we passed it already. But the rest of these accounts are lagging behind, I guess, or the other one was just ahead. So right now we're $500 away. $500 away from passing all 20 of these accounts. And then, I mean, again, I hope I don't need him. Hey, how we doing, Mo? You everywhere. He is everywhere. I would appreciate, Mo, if you would change your name. I've noticed something interesting. Data loss limit on Tradeify, time to tilt. Don't do it, Saral. Don't do it. Thank you, Amelia. Thank you. You know what I'm talking about. I kind of did some research, Mo, And you changed your name at a very interesting time. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, I'll give you a friendly warning to change your name. If you don't change your name, you're going to be banned. Okay, market recovered, bounced right off of that 200 level. So I do like the longs here. Yeah, Carol. I mean, I did some research and anyway, whatever. I'm not going to make a big deal about it. I need to go get some water. Give me just a minute. Oops, sorry, I was muted. Okay, can someone explain to me what happened right here? So yesterday I went off stream, and I forget where I went off stream. I think I ended stream somewhere around here, but it was actually not a bad setup. We had a kind of a fail at new lows, a big move lower. We retested, we failed, and then we just had a really nice move higher. We had a move from the 800s all the way up to the 900s, or the 1000s. So we had a 200 move higher, and I had two of my Trade-Evade accounts, or not Trade-Evade. I always say the wrong name. Tradeify. I had two of my Tradeify accounts that, again, I needed like $400 more so that the balances like match up. I need to really stop doing that. It's so dumb. I think I learned my lesson. But I had two accounts that I was like, and I was in the middle of playing golf with my son, and I was on my phone. I had the Trade-Evade app, and I logged in. I even knew it was this could potentially be a bad idea, but this move here was such a nice move, and I was like, dude, I'm just gonna go with the trend. And I waited for a pullback. It was like, I think it was this pullback right here, I think. Anyway, I waited for a pullback, and I only put in a profit target. I didn't put in a stop loss. So dumb. And then I put my phone down and I kept playing golf. And I actually forgot about it. It was like a couple holes later that all of a sudden I was like, oh yeah, my trade. I got to make sure, let's make sure my trade actually hit my target. And I felt pretty confident that it did. I was like, oh yeah, we're good. We're golden. I opened my app and I did the old double take. Oh my word. When I opened my app, we were down here at the 820s. I kid you not. And it was already gone. So I didn't have that much drawdown on those because those were the same ones that I hit the deal loss limit in the past. So anyway, long story short, we have 5 Tradeify accounts, not 7. And hopefully I learned a lesson. A, don't trade on your phone. B, always have a stop loss because of events like this. And then C, don't be an idiot. Anyway, other than that, it was great. I'm not that upset. All right, market continuing trying to pushing up through the 300s. We need to get above this 340s. And I mean, we're definitely going to look for a long, but at the same time, we're going to be patient. There we go. 320s getting tested. Man, nice. All right, double top up here at the 320, 330 area. Let's see if we get through it. She feeling very bullish. Hey, Toasted Talks, you're up 3.3K today. Let's go. Let's go. Nicely done. When I pass those Apex eval, I'm just going to take my time, Matt. I don't have any. There's no rush. I don't need them. So I'm going to just take. I actually will probably trade micros from here on out on the Apex accounts. We're only like $500 away, so I'm just going to switch to trading micros on those accounts from now on. Nicely done, Toasted Talks. That's awesome. Go ahead and beat us. Nice, Mr. Wall Street. Nicely done. No way, black coffee. Ah. I traded news. I hope Apex doesn't flag me for windfall. I mean, as long as you stay underneath the 30%, you'll be fine. Quick 750 scalp on that bounce from the 20s. Audio, nice. I mean, that was a pretty decent. The 200s here. It's a very nice trade. Okay, here we go. Through the 340s. Now, usually. Hmm. 340s. There she goes. You're calling it a day, Matty Matt? How good day, I hope. Yeah, black coffee. I saw that. How disappointing. Man, that's oh. I'm sorry, man. That sucks. Hey, investors, how we doing? Good morning. Apex did not reset my first account. They said it failed and do not have the option to do it by myself. What first account? What? Okay, now pulling back. Why am I trading on eval accounts with Apex? Sarhan, because 2 days ago, Trades by Matt had a 90% sale going on, flash sale, and I mean, let's be honest, I haven't been trading the 20 Apex accounts I have were just not going very well, and this was kind of a backup plan. I didn't want to lose them and then have to pay double the amount for evals, so I figured, hey, I might as well get him, take it slow, pass him slowly, and then worst, I mean, I hope I don't need them. I really hope I don't need them. Yeah, of course, my take profit trader account, these accounts, I took 2 trades on them this morning, both losses, go figure, but the day's still young. We still got time. But man, I'm really hoping that it will be different this time on these take profit trader accounts, but it's not looking too hot. But we shall see. We're not giving up yet. We're not giving up yet. I don't know, Max 90, not that I'm aware of. Supposedly, that is not going to happen anymore. The 90% sale at Queet Gaming, that is no longer going. All right, we just keep pushing higher. Let's see if we get up through the 340s on this. Why do you prefer 50K accounts over 300K? They pay almost twice as much. I mean, it's all about passing them, Jose, for me. Passing a 300K account, that's crazy. I mean, a move like this is how you pass. Like, that's how I pass 300K accounts, like this. All right, now we're pulling back down to the 310s. Trying to see, am I... If I do get a setup long here, I will take it. Hey, trading after looks like a short. Really? Short setup. I mean, if we come down and test this 15-minute opening range, I definitely want to see how it reacts, but I'm looking for a long here. Hopefully I'm not wrong. Looking to buy the affordable indicators, it seems useful. Tell me, why do you have it and use Replicanto? So investors, I mean, I've done quite a bit of testing. I have used the affordable indicators trade copier. And there are times I can't really figure out like the difference, what happens. But there are times where it works great and I have no issues for it. But then it seems like the leading account is always off on dollar amount and profit and loss. So I don't think it's like really, I don't think it, to me, affordable indicators is a very close second to Replicanto for the trade copying. But I do find that my fills and my P&L is more accurate on Replicanto than the Affordable Indicators trade copier. Yeah, I thought about that too, Mr. Wall Street. Doing it on the sim account as my leading account. I don't know why they say not to do that, but I don't know really why not. I've seen other people do it. Okay, so we gotta pay attention here. I'm not gonna take this entry right here at the 325s. This is where I would, well, just, you could. My wife knew nothing of trading, and I showed her. She said, "Stop holding green, take the money. It works." And I told her to just calm down. Trading ever after. You are not going to survive in this world. You will die an early death if you make a habit of telling your woman to calm down. That's all I'm saying. Oh, if I updated Ninja yesterday, I did not. Is there an update, Matty Matt? I don't even like updating the Ninja Trader, honestly. I got rid of the trading shanks, Stephen Cox. Well, I don't know. I don't want to say that too soon. I don't want to say that too soon. Gosh, I should this All right, I'm just kind of scalping here this first trade. I just want to give it a little bit of time, see if we can retake those highs. Don't want to really have this go against me. Can you just fill me? Come on, don't stop me out. That's rude. Wow. Didn't get filled. Did not get filled there. That was wow. Okay. Okay. That's why I don't like moving my stop to break even. That's why. Right there. And there she goes. That was a bad trade. Bad trade. Over the 340s, 350s. That was me holding and being way too cautious on a trade. Way too cautious. Come on. You must have your change in the left pocket. Yeah, that's not good. I mean, I should have just let it go. That was bad. I left $100 right there on the table. All right, 360s. That's fine. We're going to get more opportunities. No need to panic. It's okay. 364s trying to push through. Yeah, the daily chart is looking very, very bullish. Look at this. Just whoosh. If we make a move above this 390, 400 area, I mean, we could be in for a pretty crazy day. I don't know, man. Got to be careful, though. Got to be careful with this market. We can have 200-point pullbacks. That's where it gets ugly. I mean, what software you use for all prop firms trading together? This is NinjaTrader. I use Replicanto for the copying, but all of these accounts are from all of these accounts, except for my Apex, is Rhythmic, and then everything else is Trade-of-8. You can have multiple Trade-of-8 connections, and then you can copy trade between the two. Yeah, exactly, Amelia. That 200-point yesterday afternoon, kind of out of nowhere, man, that was brutal. But then we even after that, look, like we had a 200-point drop and then a 200-point move right back up. It's crazy. All right, 370s. Man, I really am sad about how I played this trade. That was so bad. All right, we need to learn. When I trade like this also shows me that I'm not willing to take a loss. If I'm trading like this, that's not ideal. I don't like when I trade like that. Do you pay for Ninja? I do pay for the order flow add-ons, but not outside of that. You with all prop firms, you get a free Ninja license. You were right. I was wrong. I made money. That's what matters trading ever after. As long as you made money, that's all that matters. That's all we care about. All right, let's see if we can get another pullback, and let's see if we can get another entry here and be a little better about this one. I'm trading Apex and Take Profit Trader together, but we log in info are different for Take Profit and Apex. How can you combine both companies together? Aimers. So the first thing you need to do on NinjaTrader is go to your settings. Go to settings, go to options, and under options, this will come up. So right here, it says multi-provider. You need to click this, make sure this box is checked. Multi-provider is checked and hit apply. I think you have to restart NinjaTrader then. But then you just go to connections and you configure, and you can see I have an Apex connection, an Apex Rhythmic connection, an Apex Trade-of-8 connection. And then I have a Tradeify, Take Profit, My Fund of Future, and I can connect all of those at the same time if only one connection can be Rhythmic. So you can only have one Rhythmic, and then you can have as many Trade-of-8 connections as you want. If that makes sense. Did I try wealth charts? I did, K Trader. Actually, you know what? Can I? Oh, shoot. You know what? I can't. Actually, I actually wanted to show you guys my, because I've seen a lot of people that did not, that hate wealth charts, and I wanted to show at least one. Like, there's some features on there that are pretty cool, but obviously they've got a long way to go before it's like ready to use. But let me look at something. Can I check? Because I think I could actually take, like, you get, I did try them out, and supposedly they have free accounts. Let me see. Can I get those? I got an email. I need to find the email somewhere. Okay, now I need. Ah, hang on. I need to pay attention here. See, I want to see this consolidate a little bit more before we just dive in. And one thing I started not doing, I will not take trades as technically it would be right here. I'm not taking entries at the highs of the day. But there she goes, up through the 380s, 390s. Wow. I mean, we were at the 980s this morning, 1000. So this is about to be a 400-point move. Crazy. We could be in for a crazy day, boys. Definitely don't want to go against the trend today. This is Apex post court loss. They are done. What do you mean? What court loss? You free again. I've been very patient with the Apex haters, but I'm about to. If that's your goal, is come in here and spew and just be idiots, I'm just gonna start banning people. I don't have the time to. I don't have the time to waste other people's time and waste the chat's time. It's just not worth it. If you don't like them, don't use them. It's not that hard. Okay. I think this is working. Hmm. I'm trying to see if I can get this set up. Anyway, actually here, I can show a little bit. Yep, I got my free accounts. This is just a like I have not messed with this wealth charts like that much. Um but hang on here. Can I show Yeah, so this is what wealth charts looks like. But what's really cool, I'm just going to take a trade here because why not? The one thing that I do like about wealth charts is this. So let's just take a trade. I just want to take a trade. You can set your bracket, take profit, stop loss, whatever. I'm gonna take 5 minis. We're gonna do it. Why can't I not? Oh, I need to select an account. So you just go buy market. So what I like, see how the 30% threshold. So it shows you live where your 30% threshold is going to be. That's the thing I like. But I've noticed that it also is very it's pretty clanky in other areas, so I don't know. I don't know. It's good or bad. It's people are going to like it, hate it, whatever. You know what? I might just keep this on. Does it show where you pass? It doesn't. It just shows your liquidation and your 30% amount. Anyway. All right, let's get a pullback. Need a nice pullback here, and then we can get in. And the platform will only get better. Hey, how we doing? Good morning, Slaya. But that part I definitely like. Like being able to see where you're at, like exactly on the trailing, like on the 30% rule. That's really cool. Wait, I'm frozen? Oh no. Shoot. Okay, hang on. I gotta replace the battery. How's Florida today? Oh, it's great. I heard it's kind of getting a little bit chilly up north. Hang on, I'm gonna change my battery. Okay, let's see. Can we get the camera working again? Hello? Testing 1, 2. We're back, boys. We're back. We are back. Okay. What did I miss? Nothing. Maybe a little bit. Are we gonna break through? I mean, this is. I probably need to be a little more aggressive here. All right, we're about to get through the 400s. Really wish I would have held this trade. Oh, of course. Anyway, let's not focus on that. Wow, what a nice move higher this morning. I should have been capturing more of this. Take profit trader. I do want to get some trades in on that. I want to get it. We want to try to get it green. Also, I am going to Okay, I need to make. All right. Hey, Matty Matt. I also said he looked like a D-bag, and the response was smoking cigars. Wait, what did you do? Oh, Nick Dolby got mad that I asked him not to smoke on camera next time. Oh no! Last night before bed, I bought calls. Uh-oh, Slaya. That's not. Uh-oh, not good. You feel like throwing up? 2 sausage, egg and cheese, and hash brown. Man, now you just made me hungry. Oh my! You just made me really hungry, and I have not had anything to eat. I'm still on my diet. So, I say diet very loosely. I say diet very, very loosely. So, what do I think of TBM launching a trading platform? I mean, I think it's great. I think it's great. I don't know if I'm going to use it because I don't know what it does. I'm curious though if it can connect multiple, like if it can connect multiple Rhythmic accounts and multiple Trade-Evade accounts at the same time, I will definitely make the switch. Definitely will make the switch. Okay, getting a pullback again. Okay, we have, see this. This is one of those days like today where on these pullbacks, like this in the past, I would do this. When we would have a nice day like today, I would buy here or I would get in a little bit prematurely with the, and I would just hold until like the trend was actually broken. But try not to. I need to be patient here. As soon as if I do that, we'll dump 100 points. Hmm. Man, this is just gonna rip. Dolby used to be a dope guy. I feel as of reason he's been kind of egotistical. Yeah, I'm not that big of a Dolby fan myself. I had a 20-minute phone call with him one time, and I was not that thrilled. I was not that happy. What do I think about the take profit trader daily loss limit change? I mean, I think it's good. I think it's great. I hope it doesn't make them make other changes. I do think that making this change is going to invite the sharks. I think they're going to they're going to be seeing a different kind of customer base, and hopefully they can sustain it. I'm just saying my feelings need to be confirmed. Bills like my job. I expect Dolly to have a cigar on camera every day now. You really think he's gonna do that? Okay, come on, pull back. Get me close to this EMA here. Gosh, this trade here really irritates me right now. I should be up over $100 right now and think about calling it for the day. Does my total P&L on Ninja not show up using Tradeovate fees sometimes? So Airboat Rob, the trade, this is one thing that is a little bit weird. Which is it? I think Tradeovate connections. If you have a Ninja Trader Tradeovate connection, then your commissions are automatically figured in. But if not, then you need to set up your commissions. Like if you have a Rhythmic connection, then you have to, yeah. If I traded CPI, I traded after CPI. I took some, that's these accounts here. These accounts here is from trading CPI. After CPI. I didn't trade at CPI. Hmm. Where the 1.8K come from? 1.8K, where? Oh, you mean on the Tradeify? So this was from overnight. I was actually, I took, so these two accounts. So now these two Tradeify accounts are a balance of 3,700. These two accounts are at 3,000 profit. And then this one is at 3,400 profit. So we're still not quite like in the same, but it's, I guess, I don't know. I guess we're getting closer. I do want to try to get all my Tradeify accounts at the same account balance. That way, and then trade all of them at the same time and stop messing around with them. But I do need to stop doing very dumb stuff. I need to stop it. Yours is 0 across the board, but it works to trade on. I see. I mean, I'm pretty sure it works anyway. Like the trade of 8 connections on Ninja Trader, it automatically figures your commissions. That's what I've discovered. Because I've added commissions and then it's off. Like then it's off because I think it puts it in twice if you also add it. All right, we got to pay attention here. All right. I'm not that upset if this comes down closer to this EMA. I don't mind. Today, like today, I might have a little bigger stop loss than normal just to allow a little more fluctuation so we can just, as long as we stay within the trend, I'm going to try to stay in my trade. And we've got quite a bit of wiggle room before we start to obviously get close to that $700 loss that we can. Obviously, that would be way crazy, but you're guilty of OCD? Yeah, Matty Matt. I literally lost 2 accounts on Tradeify yesterday because of my OCD. It's something I cannot help. It's so dumb though. If you really think about it, it's so dumb. But I need my account balances to be relatively at the same place, like, or a big gap between the two. It's so weird. Hey, it's working now, Airboat Rob. Okay, awesome. Sometimes you need to refresh or like restart, and then it works. But good to hear. All right, looks like we are going to. Looks like we're gonna come test this EMA. Let's come on, pull on back at a. Hmm. Okay, let's see if we get filled here. Oh, we're getting very close to getting ticked in. There it is. There it is. Okay, now I'm gonna have a big stop loss here. Like I said, we're gonna stick with the trend, and I don't want to do anything stupid, but 420s is kind of my. Oh, don't tease me here, market. Need a big push. Need to rip right through those highs. Need to get over that 400 area. Come on, market. Don't be difficult now. You were doing so good all morning long. Soon as Nutty gets in, you want to start doing some weird stuff. Feel like my fill here was terrible. Like my fill should have been all the way down here, the 397s. But we do need to get above that 400. That worries me a little bit that we're struggling to get above that 400. Gosh. Really, market? This is, I mean, we're not, this is not ideal at all. Gosh, every single time. Gosh, am I... This is gonna be ugly if this rips lower. Yeah, this is... If this doesn't close green, this is not good. This candle has to close green. Ay, ay, ay. Maybe I do need to just kill it. Take my loss, look for another trade. Man, this is... Come on. This is going to be the truth here. If this is going to be a hope and nope situation. Is it going to be the hope and nope? We gotta get above that 390 and get above that 400. Man, I don't like that. We're gonna literally get stopped out here, are we not? I don't know. I give up, I guess. Son of a... I'm done. I am done. All right, I'm out. I'm out. I'm not doing this. I can't do this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm ending stream. I'm sorry. Take care, man. I'll be back.